One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Hey, this is Brendan with Nash Distribution. I'm here to tell you about our two new sump pump basins. 2019 marks 50 years since man first went to the moon on the Apollo 11 mission. The big basin you see here we're calling the Apollo. The small two-piece basin you see here is called the Space Basin. Stick around and I'm going to tell you about the features of both of these basins. We're going to start with the Apollo. The Apollo is a rotationally molded one-piece basin. It has a unique bell-shaped design which helps anchor the basin in the ground. The basin is capable of holding up to 3 pumps and 39 gallons of water. As you'll notice on the upper section of the Apollo, it's perforated, allowing for groundwater to enter the system. And you'll notice on the bottom it has a large 24-inch unperforated reservoir that allows the basin to hold more water and extend the life of your pumps. Inside the basin, you'll find an elevated pump platform to localize sediment accumulation and help prevent debris from entering the pumps. The smaller Space Basin maintains all the same great features as the Apollo. It's also capable of holding up to 3 pumps and 22 gallons of water. The upper tier of the basin is also perforated, allowing groundwater to enter the system, while the larger 18-inch unperforated section at the bottom here allows the basin to hold more water, also extending the life of your pumps. You will notice the Space Basin has a 2-piece twist and lock design, which allows for assembly in tight crawl spaces and is capable of fitting through most crawl space access doors. This design is also stackable, which saves space when storing and decreases shipping costs. Each basin is topped off with a 2-piece clear lid for easy inspection and access. The lid comes pre-installed with a Dranger drain, sealed cord pass-throughs, discharge line grommets, and a rim gasket to seal the basin and protect against water vapor, odors, and radon gas. Both the Apollo and the Space Basin has the ability to be customized too. If you're looking for a different color or want to add a branded lid decal for your business, that can be done. Feel free to reach out to us at info@nashdistribution.com or 800-288-0831. That's 800-288-0831. We'll be able to answer any more questions you have about either the Apollo or the Space Basin or any products that we may offer here at Nash. You can also find a long list of our products at www.nashdistribution.com.